babes, and welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, but I'm back with another hair video, so let's just get right into it. So let me spill the tea first before we get into the video and why we're doing this video. Lately I've been wanting my hair to grow. Lately I've been doing low maintenance hairstyle. First hairstyle I did was individuals on my natural hair. Usually, you know how us girls, black girls to be specific, individuals with braiding hair. I was like, cut the braiding hair, cut the chemicals, because we know they put chemicals in the braiding hair now. Getting individuals in my real hair, it don't even make my hair grow anymore. I remember back in the day getting individuals and leaving them in for 2, 3, 4 months. My hair used to be, you know, especially when I consistently got them. Now it's like, as I'm older, I don't know if it is because what's in the braiding hair. I don't know if it's because it's the gel these braiders are using. It's not making my hair grow anymore from protective styles. I don't know what it is. Besides that, lately I've been doing low maintenance hairstyles. It doesn't require weave, any type of things that break your hair off. I still get weaves and stuff like that, but even that is considered a protective style. But is it really protective? Anyway, so for the rest of the summer, I just plan on doing protective styles. And even going forward, I want to do less quick weaves, sew-ins, anything that requires tension, pulling, even ponytails, slick backs. So the style I'm doing today is straight backs, but I want to style it as in, like, you know, bring my edges out. I want to do a little stitch in between the braids, so I'm gonna try to do stitch braids, kind of, sort of, going all the way back. So hopefully I can achieve that. I am not a braider, but I can do a little cute 1-2 inside my hair. So let's get started. Right now I done washed my hair. I just have to blow dry it really quick. Y'all see my curls? And lately, y'all, I've been wearing my curls out lately. Wear it out as much, but I do wear it out very often. Look at his forehead. Oh my gosh, like, what if I was bald? How would I look? Anyways, let's blow dry this hair and let's get right into it. Okay, you guys, so now that we got the hair blow dried, by the way, y'all, I cut it literally last month and it's growing so good already. I don't know how many parts I want to do. Honestly, I kind of just wing it, but since I'm on camera and I'm showing you guys, I'm gonna pre-part it, because if I F up, this video is gonna be for nothing. So let's make sure we do it right. So I'm gonna part my hair in the middle. Let's start with that. Like I said, I'm no braider. We gotta make it make sense, you know? Using this brand, you can't really see because the sticker is in the way, but it's called Lock, Twist and Braids Wave Edge Gel Extra Hold. So it's called Lock In. I've been using this for a while now. I look like Cat Williams. I don't need no hard extra holding braiding gel just to braid my hair back. I just want something that's going to keep the moisture in my hair, that's not going to dry it out, and that's not going to make my hair white. Oh my god, that's my biggest pet peeve. Especially, I go to braiders that do actually nice hair, and every time they use this specific braiding gel for my hair, it always make my braids white. And it gets really itchy in about 3 to 4 days. Ladies, bring your own gel, at least to your braiding appointments, if you don't do your own hair, because this is sickening. That's also making her hair fall out. Going back to when I was a kid, when all my grandma would do is use that blue jam for my hair just to slick my hair back. And I swear to God, my hair was down my back. Like, why was my hair only longer when I was younger, but when I'm older, started doing it, I saw all of a sudden it can't retain length? Like, please, we need to go back to our roots. Okay, I'm back. I had to turn on the light because I could not see shit. I had my hair in the middle, so I'm going to make my pre-parts on this side, and that'll determine how much I want in total. So I think I can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think I could do 5 actually. I can do 5 on each side, honestly. Yeah, okay, wasn't sure how many I could do, but I'm gonna do 5 each side, starting with this braid going back. And also, you guys, depending on the size of your hair, there can either be more braids or less braids. Make sure you pre-part it. That's why pre-parting is so important, because you don't know how much you can fit on your hair unless you already know the size of the braids you want. But honestly, I just want all even, at least this big, so I can fit like 5 on this side. So if you want bigger straight backs. Obviously it will probably be this size, so obviously it will be less braid. All right, you guys, so I pre-parted my hair. Like I said, I did 5 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'm going to do the same thing to this side, and I recommend you to do that too. So when we do get the braid in, all I gotta do is take out the braid and just braid it. I don't gotta worry about pre-parting my hair after I'm done this side. So I'll be back. Hey you guys, I am all done pre-parting. For some reason my left side was harder than my right side, you see, but the right side was a quick 1-2. Took me no time. For some reason I had to keep pre-parting, but I think it's because of this part right here. I do have to make sure it's straight. Once I get over there, I do gotta take some hair out this side and like make it a little straighter. I'm gonna start by braiding this side because this part is already out. So I'm gonna start by braiding this side. Like I said, I'm using my gel, I'm using my comb to make the little stitches. Hopefully I can make the stitches. I don't want to slow myself down by trying to do the stitches, so I'm gonna just braid as is, and then if I can, add the little stitches as I go. I'm the greatest thing, but not for him, just not for him. Oh, I know I deserve way more. I don't know what he wants.
With its governor having his. It's what happened when I think about you. I get in my feelings, yeah. I start reminiscing, yeah. Next time around, I want it to be different, yeah. Waiting on a sign, guess it's time for a different prayer. Lord, please save her for me. Do this one favor for me.
You guys, we currently are done one side. What do you guys think? I really couldn't do the stitch when trying to braid at the same time. It would have took me longer, but honestly this will do. So let's finish this side and I'll be right back. Break it down. Yes sir. We used to lay up and then stay up, had been blow. I should've played no games, but you just leveled up my brain. Last time I saw you in speak, that was strange. Guess there's nothing I could do, man, it's true. Exchange, yeah. Hey, exchange for the better. I know you know how to make me better. I was never loyal, let you tell it, yo, but I'm ready to fix it if you ready, baby. So give me all of you in exchange for me. Just give me all of you in exchange for me. For me. Realize what a god done. Can't never say they got him. Yo, I bet you wanna tell him, don't try him. I don't wanna tell him, let's surprise him. I don't wanna get into it, why you stressing him? I've been driving back and forth from Louis to the Lexington. Mileage on the whip, got your in my grip. College, make you wanna strip for them dollars. Got a job for you, but God, I can do it not for you. Started scrolling through the campus, I had to stop for you. I was scrolling through the gram that I had to follow you. Alright y'all, so I am all done my hair finally. I'm gonna put some mousse on my hair. This is the brand. Alright, I'm gonna let this dry. I'm gonna do my edges and I'll be right back.
I've been trying to call. I've been on my own for long enough. Maybe you can show me how. No, I can't sleep until I feel your touch.
Alright you guys, and that concludes the end of this video. If you guys liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you guys at least learned a little something from this video, make sure y'all let me know in the comments, and I'll see y'all really soon. If you don't know, I do hair. I'm a hairstylist. So if you guys are in the Philly area, follow my hair page at Look Gorgeous Hair, LA Gorgeous, GORGEOUSHAIR on Instagram, and you can see all my hair videos and my hair pictures. And then you can also book me. I'm available 7 days a week, and I take morning and afternoon appointments. So yeah, go follow me on there and my other socials. And yeah, I love you guys. Make sure y'all share this video to help someone.